first thing to understand about the new age consumer is that demographically they are becoming younger and younger. The consumption pattern in modern India is such that no matter which brand you are, no matter what you are, whether you're an electronics brand or you're an apparel brand, the consumer that's consuming you is much younger than what you expect. Hence, the new age consumer from a demographic perspective is between the age of 16 to 30. That is the first difference that I think needs to be in the minds of the marketer. The second difference is behavioral. You may be a 16-year-old or you may be a 30-year-old. Behavior patterns, given the way the technology has advanced over the last few years, is drastically different than what it was even 2 years back. The advent of smart watches, the advent of smartphones, the number of apps that you have, the amount of data that people consume in a day, the amount of the conversations that people have with each other in a day is far more than what it used to be. Hence, the space is becoming, because of technology, a lot more cramped, and hence it's becoming a lot more private and difficult for the brand to get into the consumer and get the consumer's attention. Given the amount of data that is there, the amount of distractions that are there, it is important for the new age marketer to make sure that he or she gets the consumer's attention. So these are the two ways I would define the new age consumer. One is on demographics and the other one is on behavior. Keeping these two in mind, for a new age marketer, it is essential to be part of the conversation that the consumer is interested in. So if you're a brand, it's important to engage the consumer in the brand. It's important to talk about the brand in the language that is relevant to the consumer, whether it is Twitter, whether it is Instagram, whether it is Pinterest, whether it is Facebook, or whether it is just plain simple blogging. Today's consumer, given that is present on multiple channels, on multiple platforms, it is important to the brand to leverage that. So it's not about loud advertising, it's not about newspaper and magazines, it's not about anything else but making sure that you're relevant to the consumer in that particular conversation. That's the fundamental thing that a new age marketer needs to keep in mind to be able to create conversations at the relevant point to the new age consumer.